education so I can become a doctor. What do we do?
Wait, that's grown-up.
Ah, good idea.
Yeah.
I'm from the next block, and we got pretty good grown-ups there. I don't suppose you have any grown-ups on this block, do you?
Are you kidding? Sesame Street has best grown-up in the whole world. All they will have to do is yell, and grown-ups be here fast. Louise! Oh, Louise! Louise!
Is something wrong, Elmo?
You bet there's something wrong. You bet there's something wrong. I'm from the next block, and I say this dog's name is Dudley, and he says his name is Barkley.
Yeah.
Who's right?
You're both right.
How can both be right?
Well, you see, Elmo, remember when Barkley goes away from Sesame Street sometimes and he doesn't come back for hours?
Yes?
Yeah?
And so what? Dudley does the same
I
thing.
figured it out. You see, Barkley has been playing on 2 different blocks along the street. Now, you see, when he leaves Sesame Street and goes to the next block, where this little girl lives, on that block he's known as Dudley.
You mean he's Barkley when he's on Sesame Street, and he's Dudley when he's on the next block?
You got it.
Oh. Then Elmo was right. He's Barkley.
What do you mean you were right? He's Dudley when he's on my block.
Yes, but he's on Elmo's block now, so he's Barkley. He's Barkley. He's Barkley.
Well, okay. But when he comes to my block, he's Dudley. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
When he's not here, who cares what name it is?
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters V and Z and by the number 5. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Adios!